Hello students, dear 10 ICSE students. Now this is a video on the MCQs of mole concept chapter for the latest syllabus. Now here I will be discussing one question on empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay, so I have worked out this problem beforehand so that you all don't waste your time in watching this video. So an organic compound with vapor density 94. See children, I have worked it out. Vapor density 94 contains carbon 12.67%, hydrogen 2.13%, bromine 85.11%. and their atomic masses will be given in the question. So carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, bromine is 80. Like this you have to make a table and work out this before solving the MCQs based on this question. Okay, so let's start. Relative number of atoms will be column 1 divided by column 2. So 12.67 divided by 12 will give you 1.055. 2.13 divided by 1 will give you 2.13. 85.11 divided by 80 will give you 1.0638. Now you have to see the smallest number, which is 1.055, and divide each of these with that number. Then you will get the simplest ratio. So here you will get almost 1, and we can just take the approx values also over here. So this is 2 and this is 1. Now from this we will get the empirical formula, which is CH2Br. Why? Because C is 1, H is 2 and Br is 1. तो CH2Br हमें empirical formula मिल जाएगा. Vapor density दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में 94. क्वेश्चन में vapor density दिया हुआ था, तो हम empirical formula मास निकाल सकते हैं. एक बार हमें empirical formula मिल गया तो carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1. So there are 2 atoms, so 2 into 1, and bromine is 80. 12 plus 2 into 1 plus 80 will give me 94, which is empirical formula weight. Okay, now molecular formula mass will be twice the vapor density. Vapor density will be given in the question. So 2 into 94 is 188, which is a molecular weight. Now once you divide molecular weight by empirical formula weight, you will get the value of N. Okay, so N will give, you will get 2, and then you can find the molecular formula by empirical formula whole N. तो empirical formula क्या था? CH2Br, and whole N means whole twice because N I got 2. तो C2 H2 into 2 4 and Br is 2. C2H4 Br2, this is the compound. This is the molecular formula. Okay, so now let's begin the MCQs based on this. Since we have already worked out, it shouldn't be a problem. So the first question is empirical formula of the given compound. ये हमने निकाल चुका है, CH2Br. So option C is the correct option. Now empirical formula weight, ये भी हमने निकाल रखा है 94. So this is the correct option. Molecular weight twice the vapor density 20. Even if you don't do any question, ठीक है, if you don't have time, please don't skip this question. See, this is nothing to do with this table. Vapor density is given in the question 94. You have to find molecular weight, so go for this option. Just do 2 into 94 and you will get the correct answer. This is mental maths. So do you at least 1 or 2 you can score from these type of questions, even if you don't have time for these calculations. Okay, so do attempt such questions. Don't leave it out, children. Each mark is important when it comes to your aggregate percentage. Which of the following is correct relation between molecular formula and empirical formula? See, even this has nothing to do with your calculation. So you can just go for this option, go for these type of questions. So I told you already, molecular formula mass is empirical formula mass whole N. Or you can look at it in this way also. Molecular formula is N times the empirical formula. You see this one. Okay, so option A is the correct option over here. And molecular formula, as I already calculated, C2H4Br2. So option B is the correct option. So here you have the question and all the options. You can take the screenshot, and also I am showing you the working over here. So I just hope this is visible. So you can take a screenshot of this also, and you can just prepare these questions, keep preparing, and don't skip it out even if you don't want to work it out. It seems tedious, but believe me, at least if it was 4 marks, then 2 marks you could have easily got without even calculating the whole thing. Okay, so don't skip mole concept chapter, children. It is easy, trust me. So go for it. Thank you. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye.